Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna make that's right, a 3 dots and a dash cocktail. Now this drink uses a Martinique Rhum Agricole, which is made from sugarcane instead of the normal molasses. So 1.5 ounces of that, and then half an ounce of Demerara rum. So it's about 2 ounces of rum in this drink. Now the next two ingredients here to me always screams Tiki drink. 1/4 ounce of Falernum, and then 1/4 ounce of Allspice Dram. Love making this at home, guys. And then we got our honey syrup. Now guys, this is the same as a simple syrup. It's kind of half honey, half water. Kind of boil that up, throw it in a bottle, and you're set. 1/2 ounce of lime juice, and then 1/2 ounce of orange juice. And then finally, you've got 1 dash of your Angostura bitters. Now this drink was actually created during World War II by Donn Beach, and the 3 dots and a dash is actually Morse code for victory. That's right. All right, pour that into a pilsner glass here, and then garnish it with 3 cherries for the dots and a pineapple frond for the dash. Till next time.